It is a girl Chichi. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. If it was your first time here, welcome. I hope you stay and I hope you become part of the family. If it is your 18th time, you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for returning, my subscribers. Guys, I am smiling from ear to ear because my girl done do the announcement at the church. Yeah, what is this now? My girl Chinyere Nokoye. Guys, my friend did an announcement at church yesterday. I wasn't at church yesterday, so I missed it. So now I'm streaming the service, and girl ate it up. Ate it up and left no crumbs, guys. I want you to look at this. Like, such pure excellence. Oh, Chinyere, my sister. Chinyere, my sister. You had me smiling. I am, oh. Ciao. Guys, look at this. Look at my friends. Just look at this pure excellence. Hey?
Let's start with a short word of prayer, Bazalwane. You may take your seats. Otutoma, afambu Chinyere Ngokoye, and today, Nami go do the grace news for Ona, amen. On behalf of the leadership of Grace Bible Church, we would like to welcome you all this morning. Can you look at your neighbor and say, Ekaro? Ekaro! And this morning, we have a special group of people. If it's your first time coming to Grace Bible Church, please stand up so that we can give you a warm Grace Bible Church welcome. Bazalwane, I beg you in the name of God. As with the Wakafo Church, we're going to see small papers, small wrappers of Swiss and chips. I beg, pick them up now. No be God's house with this. Word explosion is here. No weather formed against us shall prosper, amen. From Tuesday the 24th to the 29th of September, we'll be feasting from the word here at Pimville. Our guest speakers for the conference are Dr. Elijah Maswangai, Bishop Chalo Kachunga, Apostle Jethro Malinzisa, Pastor Don Phillips, and Reverend Tandanani Sabasa. So we will commence on Tuesday evening on Heritage Day. Please come dressed in any African attire, amen. The opening day starts at 4 p.m. with the ... Unlimited Youth Choir launching their new album, The Sound of Warfare. Thereafter, we'll have our first plenary session starting at 6:30 p.m. Don't miss out, and doors will be open from 3 p.m. Amen. And then from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we'll have sessions from 10 to 1, 2 to 5 and 6:30 to 9. Amen? Are there any young people in the house? The youth are requested to keep our premises clean throughout the conference. All other departments that are not directly involved in the conference will be requested to clean the venue. That is discipleship, intercessors, healing team, prison ministry, GOM, and anyone else who'd like to volunteer. Amen. The cleaning schedule will be from 6 every day from Wednesday. We are also kindly requesting more cleaning volunteers from tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. September is our Heritage Month. Let us prepare our traditional attires as we celebrate diverse cultures throughout the month. Let us celebrate our rich heritage and never forget who we are. On the 29th, we'll be celebrating all cultures. So, you know what that means. GBC Couples Forum invites all married couples and those getting married in the next 6 months to a lovers' picnic under the sun. Okay. It will take place on Saturday, the 19th of October, here at GBC Pimville from 12 noon. And the theme is the bold and the beautiful. Funerals. It is with great sadness that we announce the following funerals. Mr. Newell Koza has passed away. The funeral was held yesterday. Weddings. Nakolo Mazibugo has said yes to Josiah Opatsete, and they'll be getting married on the 23rd of September 2024. Martin Machege and Busisiwe Sibia will be cutting a marriage covenant on the 11th of October 2024. If you've missed any of the GBC news, please feel free to visit the information desk. Remember to follow the bishop on the X handle at Bishop Musasono, on Instagram via the ID Grace_Bible_Church. Like the page Grace Bible Church International on Facebook, please visit our website www.gracebiblechurch.org.za. The IT team works very hard on this one, Bazala. And subscribe on our YouTube channel, Grace Bible Church. And it is with great pleasure that I welcome Honorable Ambassador, His Royal Highness Igwe, Pastor Tato, to take the offering. Thank you.
Sambanani, Tsumelang, Kinamanya Nakamashilwani. You guys, it's Heritage Day, finally. Hey, as I feel and I with rest. That's it today, and I saw the sun. I saw it. Also, shout out to my friend Tracy. Tracy gave me this jacket. It's a long ass jacket. Oh, honey, love it so much, Kesana. One thing I like about my friends is that they will gain weight and give me their clothes. Anyway, Cham, I am so hungry. It is a Tuesday afternoon. It's like 1 o'clock. I just knocked off now. I'm working in Pretoria. Imagine I had to drive all the way to Pretoria, come work here for 4 hours, and then drive back. I'm even out of petrol because I put petrol early last week. So now I have to go fill up another full tank. Thank God it's my last week. It's on last week. Hey, I'm so hungry. So Emba. So yeah, my darlings, let us go to KFC and get some in. I hope it's not that full, yeah, and I hope I'm able to vlog, because one thing about me and foreign places, I will be shy to vlog. I will be too shy to vlog, which is like crazy, because knowing me, shy way. Are you mad? But anyway, let's go buy KFC. Subang umsindo wena. Hey! Actually, Jim Otikai, because why are you making noise, ma'am? Why are you so noisy? Dimtle qhithi sana. Dimtle qhithi. Damn. Hey boo. Into hi. Wait. Let's go, guys. You guys, I'm here now, eh? KFC yakhona nayi pha, ne? Nayi KFC pha. Manje ndibona kune-debonaise apha. So ndike ntoni? I'm feeling like a debo, but I know it's debo and they're disappointer. So I might as well just go for the initial plan, the initial product I wanted to buy, which is a KFC. So is it a queue or and as? Let's just go and find out. You guys, I am back, yeah? Back like, ooh, exactly. What is going on? So I got myself a, what do they call it? A dunk, what box? An old dunk box or something like that. I've never had it before. I've never had it before and it's my first time, y'all. Let me show you. It's a piece of chicken, yeah? Some dunk wings, as well, two dunk wings, fries, and a burger. A burger and a cold drink. Here is the cold drink. Burger yakhona yeyiphi? Yila Ooh, it's the one that has dunked wings. Yenziwe ngedunked wing. Maybe it's a dunked patty. I don't know what it's called. Looks so yummy. Then a tripod, sana. Yo. I had promised me she's gonna buy me a tripod. But me and I asabangani kahle. Ngoba asakhulumisana. So khona umunye ongithembisile ubani ngithembisile. Oh, sis Pins, you need to buy me a tripod. Wangithembisa. Ngubani omnye wangithembisa. Baningi abantu badinga a tripod. I think Chichi as well. Keep your promises, guys. Keep your promises. One thing they missed, abantu fakelanga is straw. They didn't give me a straw. Abasifakanga at all. So for that, ratings are going down. You guys, why did I just find out about my zingers is 2 pieces of this part of the chicken. Usually they put this part and the other flat one. I don't like that one. But fagela is bean, and I just finished the other one. So now the kupalena also the paper thing, and I found out. I'm almost done. I'm gonna drive out just in a few minutes, and then yeah, I have to go out, go home. I promised my nieces that I was gonna fetch them yesterday. Branch up already called back. Bambaza. Yay! Yesterday I came back home and I had a headache, so obviously I'm not gonna fetch them if I'm having a headache, because I'm not gonna be able to serve them and like give them entertainment or like. Yeah, but this morning I woke up to police calls, missed calls. That's you are. I'm just to respond. So now I'm gonna go straight home, and then I'm gonna go to pick them up, because if I don't pick them up, I know but on Kumbuza like but. You know how kids are. Reminds me of me when my aunt would say she's gonna come and pick us up and then she doesn't. Even if she comes a day later, it's not the same. So I don't want them to feel, you know. Anyway, child, let me finish up and then my church is hosting Word Explosion. It's an annual event, an annual conference. I'm super excited for it. There's no way I'm missing it. There is absolutely no way I'm missing the first day of this conference. So yeah, I'm going there more 3. So finally guys, I'm back at home. I told you guys Heritage Day was. So I'm heading for Word Explosion. I'm going to church now. I'm gonna Uber to church, and then I'm gonna come back with Sis Pindi. So I'm gonna meet her at church, and then yeah, let's go for word explosion, my darlings. These little girls, I'm so happy. Like, the kids are alright, guys. Like, the kids are alright. Did you see? I just showed you guys a video of those kids like donating money for Heritage Day. They look so cute in the Heritage Day outfits, the little traditional outfits. Guys, the kids are super alright. Like, that made me smile. I was just like, no. If I had 100 rands, I was just gonna pop it in there because wow. Anyway, let's go to word explosion. Bye. Where is my Uber? Where is my Uber? Oh, no. Okay. party.